Hi, welcome to chapter 5.4 Theory A, drawing angles. We gaan hoeken tekenen. So at the previous paragraph we've measured them, and with that tool we can now also draw them ourselves. And I'm going to again first show you a step-by-step plan that you can follow, and then I'm going to swap over to Active Inspire and show you how to actually do it. Okay? So let's say we want to draw an angle A of 130 degrees. Then you should start with a point A, so draw vertex A, and one arm of the angle. And because they don't say how long it should be, you can make this line here as long as you want to. You can make this one as long as you want to. Don't make it too short, don't make it too long, something like this. I'll show you again in a second what I would do. And now this angle A here must have an angle that's 130 degrees from it. So put your 0 on the vertex, align it with this line, and now you have to measure out that 130 degrees, which again you can find in two spots, right here and right here. And it's important, they see it right here in blue and in red. It's important to take the correct one. You see that they take the one right here because they want an angle of 130 degrees, and that's an obtuse angle. Let's say you take this one, then the angle that is going to be formed here is an acute angle. It's scherpe hoek, and that's smaller than 90 degrees. You see they put a dot here. This dot then indicates where your other leg should be going to, because after you've put this point here, you're now going to pick up your protractor and then draw a line from A through that point, or to that point. Again, it doesn't matter how long this is for the first exercise we're going to do. Let's practice this. Let's take a look at exercise 35 again, which is also homework. So let's try to do exercise A. 35A. Draw an angle A of 25 degrees. Okay, so we have to start with first drawing an angle A. Just do that on your nicely on your grip points, right? Don't just start randomly somewhere on the paper. So let's start right here. And again here as well, you can draw that leg in any direction you want to. I mean, if you want to, you can start like this, but why would you? Just start horizontally. This is technically not incorrect, but you're making this much more difficult than it's needed. So just start nice and horizontal like this. And let's say I make it this length. Again, the length is arbitrary, but don't make it 1 centimeter or something. Don't make it 20 centimeters to the end of your paper. Later on in this chapter and paragraph as well, actually, we're going to use this skill to draw triangles, and then the length is given. Then the length is really important. Now I want to draw angle A. So put your 0 on A, so put it right there. Align it, so don't put it like this, don't put it like this, but nicely align it like this, dezelfde richting. Try to be as accurate as possible. This program is sometimes not the best, as you can see, but there it is. And now I want to draw 25 degrees, and if I make this a bit bigger, you can hopefully see that I either have this option right here or this option right here. And let's do it wrong once. Let's say I take this one, so this is incorrect. If I will do that, and it's a bit easier to then show you why that's incorrect. Let's say I draw it like this. Oh. You see that this angle that now appears right here is bigger than 90 degrees. This is an obtuse angle. And therefore I know this is not 25 degrees, because 25 degrees must be an acute angle. So even if you make the mistake and take the wrong one, just reflect after your drawing and take a look, hey, is this angle actually acute or obtuse, and did I do it correctly? Here hopefully you see that it's incorrectly, because this is bigger than 90 degrees. 90 degrees is this, it's bigger, so bigger than 90, that's incorrect. So instead, what you should do, and I put this point here, right, is connected with that point right there. And then you get an angle that's 25 degrees. Again, this length here doesn't really matter. I made it a bit longer than that one. That's totally fine. Don't make it too short. Don't stop here or something. And this is angle A. If you want to, you can draw in the measurements, but you don't have to if you just stop here. That's totally fine. Don't forget to name it though. So name it angle A. Let's take a look at exercise B. Exercise B, draw angle B. Okay, let's do it right here. So again, start with B. Again, don't make this more difficult on yourself than necessary. Just start by drawing a horizontal line. Something like this. Now 125 degrees, I can find either here, between 120 and 130, or right here, between 120 and 130. This angle is obtuse, is een stompenhoek, groter dan 90 graden. So don't pick this one this time, but pick that one, because you will see if I now draw this one, and again, be as accurate as possible. No, like that. You see I'm just barely touching it, but that's okay. This is 125 degrees because it's bigger than 90 degrees. The same thing applies here with measuring. Try to be as accurate as possible. If on the test I ask you to draw an angle of 25 degrees and you draw 24, of course that's still correct. Don't push it though. Don't draw 20 degrees, or even worse, draw the obtuse when you need the accurate, then it's incorrect. 5 degrees off is quite a lot as well, so try to keep it within a margin of 2 degrees. Okay. Just to finish this one off, let's do C and D as well. Let's do C right here, why not? And again, you have to start with the point. You have to start with a straight line, if it lets me. Like that. There we go. 58, that's either here or there. And don't pick this one, because then it's bigger than 90 degrees and it's smaller than 90 degrees. So I should take that one. And you see this is almost 90 degrees, but not totally right. That's correct, because 85 degrees, of course, is getting close to 90 degrees. It's smaller than 90 though, so this is correct. And for angle D, let's do this one here. Again, put the 0 on there. Rotate, start horizontally, because why not? There we go. To make it a bit bigger so you can see it again. 160 degrees is either here. No, that can be more accurate, Mr. Obstraat. There. Or it is right here. Okay. If you pick this one, this angle here is going to be quite acute, right? And we have an obtuse angle, 160 degrees, so we need this one right here. So rotate, draw, and draw. I said, no, connect it please, thank you. Oh, that's not that nice, right? So, that's still not that nice. You guys don't see that, right? I did my best. No, that's okay. 160 degrees right here. Okay, so hopefully that made it a bit more easier to understand how to draw angles. Okay, good luck.